Did you know obesity can lead to sleep apnea? Imagine a person struggling to breathe while sleeping, gasping for air. This is a common scenario for many who suffer from sleep apnea, a condition often caused by excess weight. Obesity can obstruct the airway, making it difficult to breathe properly during sleep. This leads to frequent awakenings and poor quality of sleep. But there's hope. You can improve your sleep by losing weight through exercise and healthy eating. Regular physical activity and a balanced diet can make a significant difference. Visit NBOFITNESS.com to start your journey towards better sleep and better health today.